To set up an app campaign, click on plus new campaign, go to app promotion, and then app. You have three options for campaign objectives. App installs is to drive new people to install your app. App engagement is to re-engage existing customers that already have the app. For instance, if you have a customer that has already purchased that you want to optimize towards additional purchases. Keep in mind, this campaign type requires your app to already have 250,000 installs. The last is app pre-registration, which is a unique campaign type that helps you get installs before your app's officially launched. This isn't often used. Essentially, if you want to get new customers, then you should use the app install campaign. And if you want to re-engage existing customers, use the app engagement campaign. We will select app install, as that is the most common campaign as we want to drive new customers. Then select which platform your mobile app is on, Android or iOS. If you're on both, then we do recommend you create 2 campaigns, as you can only select one platform per campaign. Select the platform you want to use just for this campaign, and then type in your app in the search bar and select it from the list. Then write a name for your campaign as you would for any others. Once done, click Continue. Then on the next screen, fill in the campaign as you would any other. First, select the countries you want to target, then select the same location options. You have the exact same settings as you would for a search campaign. Then select the languages you want to target. Again, always select the languages that your ads are in. Then click Next. Here's where we input your budgets, bids, and what you want to optimize towards. Under the budget section, input the amount you're prepared to invest into this campaign. Just like all campaigns, we would suggest no less than $20 to $50 per day. Under the bidding section, the first option we have is, do we want to optimize towards install volume or in-app actions? This is almost the equivalent of, should you use maximized clicks or conversion-based bidding strategies for a brand new campaign? The same logic we use for all other campaigns applies here. Since there's no historical data, the most important first step is to get as much data as possible to determine how to optimize the campaigns. As such, you should always select install volume when launching your new campaigns. Select the install event that you set up via conversion tracking in the next section. Under the what kind of users do you want to target, select all users. If we selected users likely to do or perform an in-app action, we'll experience actually less installs and we won't work towards getting better performance overall. The first objective for your campaign is to get installs to see what types of customers drive the right kinds of actions. Once that starts to happen, we can then move over to action-based bidding strategies, and then the system will perform significantly better once it's collected the data. It's always worth waiting to collect the data. You'll save more money in the long run because when you do switch over to it, the campaigns will perform much better. For the new campaign, leave the target cost per install unticked for the time being. Each industry has a very different cost per install, so let the algorithm figure out to start off with. Then click Next. You are then given to where you can set up your ad groups. Just like in any other campaign type, we highly recommend that you group your ads based upon a theme. If you have multiple features or products, then create an ad group per one and tailor your ads and content very specifically. In the ad groups, make sure you write 5 headlines and 5 descriptions. Make sure you include up to 20 images. For the images you do use, it is suggested to keep the images simple with minimal text on them. Upload as many relevant images to the ad group as you can. You should also include as many relevant videos as you can. Once done, click Save and Continue, and then launch the campaign by clicking Continue to Campaign.